Hi, we are back with one more question where we have to solve this equation to find m and n. Now this is a very good Olympiad question and you need to be very smart enough to solve such type of questions. So if you are, you can pause the video and try it out and then you can check your answer by playing the video again. Let us see how do we do it. So here, to begin with, the first thing what we have to understand is that this 3 to the power m minus 2 to the power n can also be written as 3 to the power m by 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power m n by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 65. The main reason for doing that is that we are trying to convert it into some identity. Okay, and what identity I'm aiming for? It is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So by doing that, we are actually mathematically, we haven't changed anything, but we have converted it into the form of a square minus b square. From there we can move forward. Now before moving forward, I will write 3 to the power m by 2 is equal to x and 2 to the power n by 2 is equal to y, so that now my equation looks very easy and I can move forward by proceeding further to solve it. So as I have written the identity, I'll write it down as x plus y, x minus y, and 65 can be written as 13 times 5. Okay, there's a reason I've written 13 first, because we will not be solving it in a conventional way. We have to be smart to solve such type of questions. So we have to think for two of such numbers whose sum is 13 and whose difference is 5. These are prime numbers, so it is very easy to think of. You can just do trial and error. After some time you will get it very easily that one of the number will be 9 and the other number will be 4. X being the first number, we will consider x as 9 and y as 4. We can put it over here and we'll see that x plus y, that is 9 plus 4 is 13 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So we can move forward from here. So next step will be, we will put it back, and 3 to the power m by 2 is equal to 3 to the power 2 and y is 2 to the power n by 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2. On comparing the powers, I can say that m by 2 is equal to 2, giving me m is equal to 4, and n by 2 is equal to 2, giving me n is equal to 4 as well. Okay, this is interesting. We can justify the answer by putting it over here. So if I do 3 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4, then 3 to the power 4 is 81, 2 to the power 4 is 16, and answer is 65. So what we have done over here is right, and you will see that how easily we have done this question. So it is only about how we have started it. If you will do this correct start, then maybe you can also do it faster. I hope that you understood what I discussed over here. For such type of videos, you can subscribe to this channel and share this video, because I have seen that there are more of such videos available, but they are explained in very high number of time.